Let's take a look at the Property tab. From here you can change just about anything. Edit, styles, colors, fonts, borders, and much more. You can also type in custom red, green, and blue color codes here as well. You can update multiple field properties at one time. Change all your fonts at once. In this editor, the unit of measurement is TWIPS. Change the height, width, and placement using TWIPS. For reference, we have a calculator on our website. But 1440 TWIPS equals 1 inch. Don't forget to check your template by using Print Preview. Don't tell Erin. But hopefully, your sense of style is better than hers.